Hi folks, Survivor Ridge here. Just showing you where I'm at today. It's been snowing quite bad where we were. It's just kind of not getting hit by it here. Out with the dog, Super Bailey. He's used to staying with the rest of the folks. Just wanted to show you this piece of rock actually, jutting up out of the ground there, and then in the sunlight, hope the picture catches it. There you go, vibrant green. Doesn't really look as good through the lens. Zoom out. Anyway, County Cork, beautiful day in Mullinahasig Woods. There's a waterfall here, so just out checking it out. Been here a few times actually. It's nice though, it's a good walk. Stretch the legs using walking poles because it's quite a drop down and quite a climb up. Occasionally I like to use them, just to get in the way for some things, but I'm sure it's fine today. You can hear the waterfall now, or a waterfall. It's quite well walked. Beautiful spot there. Look at the rock formation. Lovely. Beautiful. Pancart. So, a bit of climbing. This place is badly flooded. Loads of trees down. Been awkward to move around. Right, I'm going to put the camera down and walk to the waterfall. I'll catch you in a sec. So, we've come to the end of the trail. This place has changed such a lot. There must have been some serious flooding. You can see the amount of trees down. They've made a new trail actually. So there's a trailhead, or a new trail. We've just got to the bottom of it. But we weren't walking it, we'll walk it on the way home, on the way back. Anyway, here's the waterfall. That's nice. I've forgotten how nice it was. A few friends of mine are camped here, but I never have. It's wonderful though, isn't it? Cool. Nice rock there. Nice. Deep gorge here. There's snowing and hailing. We were driving to get here through almost a blizzard, and you wouldn't tell here. Just a little bit of hail made it down here. Somebody's getting the snow now. This Survival Ridge. Looking don't film me, sorry. It's looking somewhat Russian today. Got a nice outfit on. Just nice to be out. It's a Sunday, so we try and get out and do some woodland walking and stuff. We'll go visit some people in a bit. I'll show you all this place. Beautiful. Oh, I'm getting back punched. You boy! Fabulous. Nice to be out anyway. Nice kit. Looks good. So we're all happy. Got a young girl, a 14-year-old teenager, didn't want to come out with us, but she has been ill. Not her cup of tea at all, this though. Right. Some beautiful Mist Survival Ridge and myself. That lovely. I'll talk to you very soon, and get out there and stay prepared. Part 3. We kind of just found a new trail which didn't exist before. You can see all the stone is new at the edges. So I didn't know this existed really. Wasn't here before, looks like. Well, wasn't here before. But I just thought I'd show you the rock formations. Look at this thing. Hey, it's snowing again. Cool. This is cool. Fabulous colours. You can see where white pencock blends in when you get the greens, because it's very green here. Well, that's a nice overhang. And we're right above the waterfall, so it's a nice extra track to walk. That looks pretty cool from here. Sorry about the snow on the lens. Nice place, isn't it? Once again, I'll say, this is one of the reasons I moved to Ireland. Just because certain places are just fabulous. Makes you feel as though the world's untouched, you know. Right then, folks, get out there, enjoy, whatever the weather, and stay prepared. Survival Ridge out.